And also we have planned to complete this solve this Rubik cubes within 2 minutes time. So she has accepted the challenge to complete this within 2 minutes. Let's see whether she completes or not. Okay, so we kept the timer. So let's follow that. 1, 2, 3, start. She has completed in 1 minute 47 seconds. Good job, Lakshmi. So you can see the video now. All the 4 sides, 6 sides it is covered. Okay. Thanks for watching this video. We'll see you next week.